the EarFun Free Pro. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. These are the EarFun Free Pro True Wireless Earbuds. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with the user manual, an assortment of ear hooks, small, medium, large ear tips, and the USB-C charging cable. The EarFun Free Pro features 7 hours of listening time, 32 hours with the case. 10 minutes of charge will give you 2 hours. Uses Bluetooth 5.2, touch controls, USB-C and wireless charging, ANC, ambient, and a low latency feature, and it's IPX5 water resistant. The case has a slim, compact design with a matte finish all around. The lid has the branding with a black mirror finish to it. On the front of the case you have the status LED, and on the back you'll find the USB-C charge port. The lid is magnetic and it has a tight feel to it when opening and closing. The earbuds are secured by magnets, but I found them a bit hard to grip and remove from the case due to the slim design. As mentioned, this has wireless charging, so here it is on the charger. You can see it activate. The body of the earbuds has a small design. The interface has a matte finish along with the ear markings etched in. The outer face has a mirror-like finish with the branding similar to the lid. It also has a large surface for the touch controls. Each of the earbuds have interchangeable ear tips and ear hooks, charging contacts, LED, microphones, and touch control. Here they are side by side. Navigating playback and call controls is just a few taps. To cycle through the ANC and ambient feature, it's a triple tap. The voice prompt will indicate what setting you're on, and low latency mode is a 2-second hold. The case comes in at 2.6 by 0.9 by 1.2 inches. It weighs in at 32 grams, and the earbuds come in at 8 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
In my hand, leading the way, stay in the night. Looking at you, making your moves, there is no silence. I wish you'd never let go. All this moving in the zone, I'ma lose it out of control. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah.
Try your luck, test me in again, we let it rain. Please don't start us up. Got that black and white, that yin and yang. Mr. Officer, please don't search us, we don't got a thing. Tell her park it up, then that be poking out them jeans. I've been sparking up, like the fireworks, I keep the flame. Heard you barking up, this the wrong tree, I got the strings. Yeah, I'm charging up, they can keep up, got them looking drained. Now they walking up, trying to put the face to the name. I pull up and and I'm swerving. If a try to holler, she gon' curve him. We came from under buzz like a Persian.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the EarFun Free Pro microphone. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. I found the microphone to work well during calls and it came in loud and clear. Other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant and you can use the earbuds individually left or right side. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the EarFun Free Pro. The earbuds seated nicely in my ears. It is very light and it created a secure, tight fit. At times I didn't even feel like I had them on. You do feel slight pressure in your ear canals. Touch controls are a plus since it helps reducing that pressure. Build-in quality is solid. The case feels durable along with the earbuds. As mentioned, I found removing the earbuds to be an issue due to the slim design. I like the small form factor of the earbuds and they don't protrude out once seated in your ears. Touch controls responded well and were not overly sensitive. Battery life is decent, coming in at 7 hours and 32 total with the case. It's nice to see wireless charging and the IPX rating is sufficient. The active noise cancellation feature worked well in my opinion. Once activated, it will cancel 28 decibels of sound. Definitely one of the better ANC I have tested in the sub 100 price range. The ambient feature also picked up the surrounding sounds loud and clear when activated. Having ANC on will reduce the listening time slightly to 6 hours as opposed to 7 hours with it off. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it comes in deep, punchy and tight. Very accurate and not lacking at all. It doesn't sound boosted or overwhelming. Mids and highs come in clean and clear and there's good separation. I like the wide soundstage, and I would describe it as accurate and energetic. Overall, I feel these have tremendous value, as it performed on the sounds, microphone, and the ANC features. So that is my review of the EarFun Free Pro True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.